welcome back to my kitchen, and yes, it's that time of year again. Time for the Fab Fit Fun summer box, only this time we've got the editor's edition. Let's go see what kind of goodness is all up in here. I would like to first say that I am a Fab Fit Fun partner, and that means Fab Fit Fun provided me with this box to share with you today, and we're going to dig deep and find out all the goodness that came in this editor's box. The editor's box is a collection of their most popular items that they have put in previous boxes, and some of these things you may have seen in other installments of FabFitFun unboxings from me. For the most part, I honestly think there's only 2 things that are in this box that I've gotten in previous boxes, but there are lots of other things in here that I'm very excited to get. If you're not familiar with FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box. It comes out 4 times a year, so you get winter, spring, summer, and fall. This is the summer edition, and then they also do editor's boxes. You can sign up for those. They're generally $49.95 a box, and they always have at least a $250 value per season. The best part is you can get your first box for $10 off with my code Noreen, and then you can also get this information and a link down below in the description box. I think that's all of the business out of the way. This time around, the box is supporting the Wildlife Conservation Society, but what's coming in this box this time, my favorite, like the standout piece de resistance, is this train case. This is like, it's a Yumi train case, but this thing is gorgeous, and for all your summer road tripping or you're traveling, if you're going to far off destinations, everybody needs a good makeup case, okay, girls, right? And this has lots of pockets, and I love that. So it's got this little pocket on the top lid. It's got 2 compartments. It's got this great little compartment for all of your makeup brushes, and then it's got this larger compartment where you can keep all of your makeup. And we'll open that up so you can see it. But this is large enough to store your favorite beauty products, and features 2 separate compartments with zipper closures. Remember when I told you that every box has at least a $250 value? So we're gonna start adding things up. This train case has a retail value of $58. The next thing is the Wish Beauty Rice Milk and Rose Cream Cleanser, and I'm excited to try this because I always like to try a new facial cleanser. This is the cream cleanser. It says it's paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, DEA and TEA free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny certified. It says, I don't know what that means, but oh, it smells wonderful. Oh, it's nice and creamy. And I know it's a cleanser, so I'm sure it will have a little foaming action when you hit that with some water. It says, indulge your skin with this luxurious cleanser that removes dirt and impurities while moisturizing and softening the skin. The blend of natural ingredients will leave your skin feeling clean without drying chemicals. The retail value on this cleanser is $24. Okay, next up is this Ahava Mineral Hand Cream. It says experience the wonders of the Dead Sea, no passport required. This mineral-rich hand cream instantly improves skin's moisture level, smoothing rough, dry skin and restoring suppleness. I love a good hand cream, I'm not gonna lie. I do a lot of work in the kitchen, in the garden, what have you, and my hands get dry and nasty, okay? I'm not gonna lie. So let's see. Oh, this is nice. I love a hand cream that's nice and thick that I can actually feel it going on, and I love that this is absorbing really fast. So some hand creams are super greasy and they don't like soak into your skin very quickly, and they just kind of sit there and you feel like you can't touch anything for a while. This is really nice, and it has it's got a really beautiful clean scent to it. Yes, that's beautiful. That has a retail value of $33. Next up is this Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer in Papaya Yuzu. This thing looks really cool. I checked it out earlier. So it's a sponge, okay? But it's infused with body wash. Oh my gosh, it's all citrusy. Yuzu is like an Asian citrus. And it's also got papaya, and papaya is really good for You know what, papaya they actually use as a meat tenderizer, so when they put it in skin products, it's going to kind of slough the dead skin off of you. And so what you want to do, you can exfoliate and cleanse at the same time. This is a hypoallergenic sponge and has time-release creamy lather made with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver. It moisturizes, rejuvenates, and restores your skin, leaving it soft as silk. So this is something you want to use in the shower. And this has retail value of $16. We have this Ish lip statement palette, and I did get one of these in another box. This is a beautiful lip palette. It has 12 different colors. These are colors I could actually see myself wearing for the most part. I am not a lip tint or lipstick girl. I don't wear a lot of makeup, but when I do, I sometimes do a lip. This is really beautiful, and it's a very good quality. So it says this palette features 11? Okay, one must be a base. 11 intensely pigmented shades and 1 balm. Okay, that will give your lips a beautiful pop of color. Enriched with rose extract, shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, and aloe vera. You can mix and match for endless color combinations. The retail value on this Ish lip statement palette is $42. So the next thing on the list is this Chorus, I don't know how to say it, it's Chorus shower gel in Japanese rose. And it says, treat your senses and your skin to this creamy foam shower gel. It contains emollients and humectants to provide a lasting moisturizing effect as if you used a leave-on product. Oh wow. This is, you know, this is in a Japanese rose fragrance. Whenever I hear something is gonna be scented like roses, I gotta tell you a little story. I always feel like it's gonna smell like old lady, okay?
Rose milk.
Rose milk, and I think that's why, because when I was growing up there was a product on the market called rose milk. It was hand cream. My grandmother used to use it, but there was a lady when I used to live in Arizona. There was this beautiful older lady. Her name was Trudy Ely, and you always knew when Trudy was coming because Trudy surrounded herself with a cloud of rose fragrance. Not always in a good way. God bless her. She's no longer with us. But you know what? I smell rose like that, like just traditional rose fragrance, and I always think of Trudy. This does not smell like that. This has a really beautiful, almost a citrusy edge to it, so it's really nice. This has a retail value of $18.50. We just have this one more thing, but this thing is like a pop wow. You know, your eyes are going to come out of your head when you really understand what this is. This is the Foreo Luna, and this is a revolutionary device. It's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to your Foreo app. Now you can, what you do, okay guys, this is kind of mind-blowing, okay? So there's an app that you can, I think that there's a QR code, so you get your QR reader on your phone and you snap this QR code and it will take you to the app. You download the app, okay? And then here's this little, it fits in the palm of your hand. It's silicone and it has these different sized kind of spines on it, but they're soft. And then on the back, doesn't look so cute. It looks like someone with a little camera, but you can turn it on here. It vibrates and you run this over your skin. You can use this to gently wash your skin, your face, okay? And it's going to determine the hydration of your skin. It tells on the back here, it says, and I have to take my glasses off to read it, but it says, get smart about your skin, know it, perfect it, and love it. Measure skin moisturizer, reveals skin's age, customizes cleansing routine, and the app records the progress. It takes 3 AAA batteries, which are included, and it will do up to 400 uses with those batteries. So all you have to do is download the app, And then this is gonna help you on your way to really good skincare. And the way you turn it on is just to press it, and the way you turn it off is to keep pressing it until it shuts off. So it doesn't just automatically shut off when you press it, you have to press it continually until it shuts off. Now the mind-blowing part for me is that the retail value on this Foreo Luna is $89. So we are now well over $300 in value for this box that you are going to be able to get with my coupon code Noreen, which is going to give you $10 off the $49.95 original price and give you this box for $39.99, and you're going to be getting over $300 value. Now, because this is the editor's box, what I got in mine may differ from what you get in yours. You may get a necklace or a piece of jewelry. You may get some different kind of cream. You may get some sort of exercise piece or what have you. You could get a Turkish towel, or you can get some skin reviving pads instead. It just depends. Every single thing in here is going to have a different option. So I just love it. I love the FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I love doing the unboxings for this. I always think it's fun because you get to try things maybe you didn't know about it. Maybe you get to try things that you probably wouldn't buy for yourself, or maybe you don't have access to purchase, maybe where you live, or maybe you haven't seen them or heard about them online. I'm one of those people who I like fashion and I like makeup and I like that stuff, but I don't pay a lot of attention to like the cutting edge stuff that's out there. So the FabFitFun box really gives me an opportunity to see what's available and try it. And of course, these are all, I think they're all really high-end, really great full-size products. And yeah, if you think this is something that'll fit in your life, and I don't know anybody whose life this won't fit into, and gentlemen, you need skincare too, right, honey? He's gonna groan, because he always groans at me when I tell him he needs to use moisturizer.
The guys can get this for their wives.
That's right, the guys can get this for their wives, and this would be a lovely just because gift, a lovely happy summer gift. Is your family going to take a trip to the beach for the summer? Everything in this box is perfect for a vacation, perfect to just, and look, everything is going to fit in this train case too, and fantastic. And everybody's going to be able to use this, I think. And if you have teenage daughters, this is a great idea. If you have daughters who are attending college or getting ready to go to college in the fall, the FabFitFun box is a really great little, I'm thinking of you gift from home, and they'll get that 4 times a year, and it'll be extra fun because it'll come from mom, and it'll be like a little warm hug, only it'll be filled with all of these cool things, and they'll be able to use them and share them with their roommates or what have you. So I hope you like this unboxing of our FabFitFun Summer Editors box. If you are interested, you can go down below in the information box, use the link, use my code Noreen, where you'll be able to get $10 off your first box, which will make your box $39.95, which is, I don't think that's expensive at all. I mean, 40 bucks, you're gonna drop that easily buying a pair of shoes, right? Or maybe something else. So this is just a little fun way to indulge yourself. It's a little fun way to get yourself a little something or share with others. And yeah, if you think it's going to fit into your life, I highly recommend it. I love getting these. I want to say thank you to the good folks at FabFitFun for once again sharing with me and sponsoring today's video. If you liked it, please consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. We normally do cooking and recipe videos and all sorts of lifestyle videos and homekeeping videos, but this fits right in with everybody's life, and I'm always happy to share. If you liked what you saw, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and if you are a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, be sure and hit the bell notification button so that when we upload new content, you will receive a push notification on your smartphone or an email letting you know that it's ready to watch, because we don't want any of you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes, and other lifestyle fun things like the FabFitFun box that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope that you give the FabFitFun box a try, and I hope that you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.